Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's make this one pot classic Gujarati recipe, that is Undhiyu. Wash and roughly chop all the vegetables you are using in this recipe. Firstly, we will add salt to the surti papdi to make it soft. Keep it aside. Now let's make masala mixture. Add green garlic, coriander powder, cumin powder, some sesame seeds, garam masala, red chili powder, salt as per your taste, turmeric. Mix it well. Slit the brinjal and stuff the masala into it. Now to make methi muthiya, we will need besan, coriander powder, cumin powder, some red chili powder, ajwain and white sesame seeds. Mix it well. Add methi leaves and mix it evenly. Add some oil to mix it evenly. Apply oil in your palms and shape the muthiyas. In a pan, fry the muthiyas. Fry them till golden brown. Here I am frying purple yam so that it cooks quickly. Today I am making Undhiyu in a cooker. Here I am roughly frying stuffed brinjals. In the same oil, add all the vegetables one by one. In goes sweet potato. Add the remaining green masala mixture which we had prepared earlier into the vegetables. Give it a good mix. Adding haldi and some garam masala. Adding methi mutiyas. Close the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. Just one whistle is enough. Put lots of coriander and mix it well. Tasty Surti Undhiyu is ready. Have it with a puri or a chapati as you like it. Super delicious, wholesome mixed vegetable dish.